Okay, in this video presentation, we are now ready to define quantitative research. Okay, so what is quantitative research? So quantitative, coming from its root word quantity, it means that it is known for the use of numbers. Okay? Quantitative research utilizes numbers. Okay? So, quantitative research is also a type of research that obviously follows the systematic and organized approach in the research. So, quantitative research uses or follows this systematic and organized approach in research. And what do you call that systematic approach? That is the scientific investigation. Scientific investigation. So, scientific investigation is also referred as the scientific method or the research processes. Okay? Now, since quantitative research utilizes numbers, okay, meaning to say, its data come in numerical form. So, its data is numerical. So, meaning to say, it uses numerical data. Okay? And this numerical data and information, okay, will be subjected to applied mathematics. Applied mathematics. Okay, this numerical data and information will be subjected to applied mathematics. And this applied mathematics will be known as statistics. So, statistics will be discussed in your grade 9 research and grade 10 researches. So, statistics are used in quantitative research. So, meaning to say, quantitative research uses statistical treatments. Okay? And this statistical treatments is used to perform what? Numerical analysis of data. Okay? So, quantitative research utilizes numerical data and information that is subjected to applied mathematics known as statistics. And statistics is known for the use of statistical treatments which is used for the numerical analysis of data. Okay? So, that would be one of the main definition of quantitative research. Next, to define quantitative research, since quantitative research is a type of research that uses quantity and other information, meaning to say, or we can infer that quantitative research use different knowledges. It uses knowledge, just like other types of researches, to identify problems and information. And the type of knowledges that can be used in quantitative researches can be classified as authoritative, okay, logical, and empirical. So, during our previous video discussions, we discussed these three knowledges already. Authoritative knowledge are those knowledges that present professional information, okay, coming from the professionals. While logical knowledge are those knowledges derived from the process of reasoning. So, we derive conclusions through the use of reasoning. While empirical knowledge are those knowledge accompanied by means of observation and experimentation of different phenomena. Okay? So, it involves experimentation and observation of the different phenomena or phenomenon. Phenomena. Okay? So, that is, or these are the knowledges used in quantitative research. Okay? So, that will be another definition. So, another thing, since quantitative research utilizes numerical data, okay, it is easy for us to measure the results. Okay, in quantitative research, it is easy to measure results. Okay? And these results are derived in a manner that we can identify easily the negative and positive sides of a certain study. So these results will tell the negative and positive sides of a certain study. Okay? So meaning to say, it does not choose what result to accept. It accepts both negative and positive results. Okay? It does not choose what result to accept. So meaning to say, if it does not choose what results to accept, meaning to say it is free from biases. Because it does not choose. Okay? It is free from bias. And meaning to say, if quantitative research is free from biases, quantitative research is objective in nature. And when we say objectivity or when we say objective, it looks both on the negative and positive side. It is two-sided. So, combining all of these concepts together, okay, how do we define quantitative research? Okay, how can you define quantitative research? Okay, since quantitative research involves the use of quantity or numerical data, and it involves systematic investigation, it involves statistics and numerical analysis, it involves the use of empirical knowledge, and it is objective, we can define quantitative research as quantitative research is an objective, systematic, and empirical investigation. Investigation of what? Investigation of observable phenomena through the use of, so how do we observe this observable phenomena? Through the use of computational techniques, okay, which highlights the use of, since it uses computational techniques, it highlights the use of what? Numerical or statistical analysis of data. Okay, so let us look at it once more. Quantitative research is objective, systematic, and empirical investigation of observable phenomena. Okay? Through the use of computational techniques. So when we say computational techniques, meaning to say we apply treatments to make use of statistics. Okay? Again, try to write that down. Computational techniques, meaning we apply treatments to make use of statistics. We apply treatments to make use of statistics. Okay? So, computational techniques, which highlights the use of numerical or statistical analysis of data. Okay? So, that would be the main definition of quantitative research: an objective, systematic, and empirical investigation of observable phenomena through the use of computational techniques, which highlights the use of numerical or statistical analysis of data. So it is heavily concerned with what? It is heavily concerned with numbers. And these numbers will determine what? Different relationships. Relationships with events or processes. So these numbers can identify relationships between different events or processes, and these events or processes is known as the observable phenomena. Okay? And since quantitative research is concerned with both numbers and relationships, it is safe to say that quantitative research is heavily concerned with variables. Okay? Since quantitative research is concerned with numbers and relationships, it is safe to say that it is concerned with variables. So, meaning to say, variables are one of the aspects of research. Okay? So, meaning to say, one of the aspects of research or quantitative research is to what? To describe and explain variables. Since it makes use of numbers and relationships, it is concerned with variables. Meaning to say, quantitative research aims to describe and explain variables. Okay? And that would be the definition of quantitative research. And now, since we are talking about variables already, we are now dealing with variables already, in our next video presentation, we are now ready to introduce to you the concept of variables.